settlements and we can define what that is. But if we just come together on at least one or two things, the lives of millions of people from the lower socioeconomic groups will be impacted. And that will be thanks to us, because unfortunately, several times it's our voices that is heard at various levels. Finally, I think while we talk administration and governance, especially when it comes to the functioning of mental hospitals, I think what is important is that we bring in the system of PPPs, which again Dr. Satyanathan and the IMH and us had, which was a very, very good model where there was a concept of encouraging NGOs, which they continue to do now, within the government setup itself, to open up and to make mental hospitals a lot more transparent. I know that we have the director of IBAS here as well, and that Dr. Nimesh Desai encourages that. I know that Gujarat encourages that. So I feel that if you don't bring in the NGO sector or individual activists, I know that Anjali and Ratnaboli has done tons of work. So if we don't encourage activists and NGOs to be a part of the mental hospital culture, then I feel there is scope for human rights to be violated. So having said that, again, I look forward to 3 days of warm discussions. Thank you.